Hello, today we're going to be working on this page from the iReady Math for First Grade. It's lesson 21. It's session 2, develop, page 527, and it's got these two little snails at the bottom. And lesson 21 is about adding two-digit numbers. That's what we're doing in this lesson. Okay? So, here we go. We're adding two-digit numbers. And so let's start. Oh, our standard is 1 for first grade. NBT, which is numbers in base 10. Part C, number 4. Okay, part C4, which is about adding two-digit numbers. Okay. All right, here we go. So it says, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to answer the question, who is the story about? Okay, that's what we're doing first. Who is the story about? Here we go. There are 46 snails. 28 snails joined them. How many snails are there now? So who is it about, loves? Yeah, it's about snails, right? About these snails. Okay, so what's happening with the snails? What is happening with the snails? That's what we're going to find out. Okay, let's read it again. Ready? Begin. There are 46 snails. 28 snails joined them. How many snails are there now? So what's happening with the snails? Well, there were some snails at first, and then others came to join them. So that's what's happening. Okay, we're not looking at the numbers. We're not talking about 46 or 28 yet. We're just talking about what's happening with the snails. Well, there were snails, and then more snails came. Okay, next thing is, what do we know and what do we not know? What do we know and what do we not know? Okay, let's read it again. There are 46 snails. 28 snails joined them. How many snails are there now? So what do we know? Well, we know that there were 46 snails at the beginning, right? And then we know that 28 more came. That's what we know. What we don't know is how many snails there are now. That's what we don't know. Okay, so how are we going to solve this? How are we going to solve this? Well, let's think about it. If there were 46 snails in the beginning and then 28 came, is our answer going to get bigger or smaller than 46? Yeah, it's going to get bigger than 46, isn't it? It's going to get bigger. So what is our operation? If our answer is getting bigger, what is our operation? Is it to add or subtract? Yeah, we're going to add, right? And what are we going to add? We're going to add the 46 snails that we had at the beginning with the 28 snails that came later. Okay? So like this. 46 plus 28. That's our equation. And there's our answer is going to go in this box, right? That's the missing number. Okay. So let's figure this out. 46 and 28. So I'm going to draw 46, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 tens, right? And then 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 4 tens and 6 ones. What number is this? Yeah, it's 46, right? So go ahead and draw that. Draw your 4 tens and your 6 ones. Okay, now we're going to draw 28. How many tens in 28? 2 tens, right? So I'm going to draw 2 tens. 1, 2. And how many, oh, I'll let you do that. Okay, and how many ones in 28? 8 ones, right? Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go ahead and draw your 2 10s and your 8 ones for the 28. Not this part up here. This is 46. Down here you're going to do 28. Go ahead. Okay. Hopefully you finish drawing 46, 4 10s, 6 ones, and then you finish drawing 28, 2 10s, 8 ones. If you have not finished, pause the video and do it now. Okay, so now let's count the tens first, okay? And then we'll count the ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is 6 tens? You could do it like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So how much is 6 tens? Yeah, it's 60, right? So I'm going to put 60 plus, and let's say, how many ones here? Let's count up all the ones now. We finished with the tens, now the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Plus 14. Okay. So you see how I got 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's draw a line down the middle. Okay, so now we have the tens on this side and the ones on this side. Tens and ones. Okay. Okay, we ready to add them up? Okay, these are the tens, the 60. And these right here, 14 ones, these are the 14 ones. Okay, now we're going to add them together. 0 plus 4. Write the answer here. Okay, now 6 plus 1. Write the answer here. Okay, what is the 2-digit number you got? That's the answer. Write it there, okay? Now, once you add up 0 plus 4, put it here. 6 plus 1, put it here. And then write that answer here. Now we have the answer, right? So we're going to make a sentence. You're going to write small. If you write big, it's not going to fit. So write small. How many snails are there now? There are snails. Make sure you make this box big enough. If you make this box tiny, you won't be able to write the answer there. So make this box pretty big so you can write the answer here. The words you can do tiny, because if you write too big, they won't fit. So you're going to write an equation with the answer here, and you're going to write the sentence. There are blank snails. There are blank snails, because that's how you have to write the answer. Okay? Good job.